Video, let's learn how to clear recent searches on Messenger. Whenever you search for anything on your Messenger, whether they be profiles or pages, those searches will remain and other people would be able to see all of your searches on Messenger whenever they open up your Messenger app. So if you want to remove or clear so that other people won't be able to see your recent searches on Messenger, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. So what you need to do is open up your Messenger app, and whenever you tap on this search bar, you can exactly see all of the recent searches. Now to remove them, you just need to tap on the edit option that you see on the top right. And either you can tap on these individual process. So this way individual searches will be removed, but if you want to clear all of them all at once, you can tap on clear all. And here it says this removes all of the items in your recent search list on this device, but they may still appear in future search results and suggestions. So this is one issue with Messenger. Whenever you search up anything on Messenger, and even though you clear them up, they may still end up on the suggestions list. But that only happens if you search them a lot. So from here you can just tap on clear searches, and like it said, these searches may show up on the suggested tab right here. But that only happens if you search them up a lot. So that's how easily you can clear recent searches on Messenger. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below.